Hey guys, so I'm with my cousin,
Sammy. Autumn.
and we are doing the blindfold slime challenge. And Sammy's gonna be doing with me, and I don't know what Autumn's gonna be doing.
I'm just here.
Yeah, she's just there. She's gonna be mixing around our ingredients.
Okay.
So let's put our blindfolds on. I'm using a hat, so I'm using a scarf. I'm also gonna close my eyes.
Okay. Now, Autumn. And you guys only have a minute?
Autumn.
No, don't time us.
No, I mean a minute to put all your ingredients that you want in there, and you have to mix it like as
No, no,
is. 2 minutes.
no. There's no time limit.
Oh, Autumn, can you come tie it?
I can barely breathe in this thing.
And don't put the glitter slime thingy in there.
Here.
I'm
gonna
nervous.
double side this.
I am too. I can see right there. Oh, you're squeezing my brain. Don't get it too tight.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Set, go.
Is this the glue? No, that's not the glue.
Wait, so what are they supposed to be doing?
You're trying to make
Found
slime
is
blindfolded.
this the glue?
Oh, I found it.
I found it.
You guys should have like 5
Sam,
minutes.
I got it first.
Just be very careful.
Yeah, and guys, I'll tell you guys when that's enough for some products. Like glue, for instance, because
And if you're getting it in the bowl, at least.
Is it coming out?
yeah. Stop.
Okay, that's it. Just for the glue. Oh, where's the shaving? Is this the shaving cream?
Am I getting it in there?
Can I tell you what that is?
What is it?
No.
Sam's like, what is it? Sam, you know what you have.
Not stop. Sam, stop, Sam.
Where's the utensils? The utensils?
Push that big thing back, Simon, please, to get out of the way.
In the way of the camera.
Am I mixing in the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I feel like that wasn't shaving cream. It doesn't feel like it.
Tell me with this. Cause is this good?
You have to do it by yourself.
Stop.
Don't tell her. Okay, now it's time for coloring.
Autumn, tell me when.
Why is everything on Sammy's side?
Yeah, you already opened up a color.
No, I didn't.
Can I have a fork, please?
Tell me when.
Okay.
Autumn, where's the
You
fork?
haven't even started. Nah, you didn't even put any in. Stop.
Now where's my spoon?
Oh my God, Sam.
What?
Where's my spoon? I feel like Sammy's can see.
No, oh my God. Look, can we pause it for
No.
a second?
No.
Sammy already lost with her slime.
Why?
Don't tell us. Don't tell us. Did she miss the bowl?
No, she might have put too much or something in.
Okay, now time for activate.
Autumn, can I please have the spoon?
Oh my God, this is the shaving cream.
What?
I did put 2 colorings in. This is the shaving cream. Darn it.
Oh, you have it?
Guys, this is the activator right here. Sammy, you already put activator in there.
That's cool.
Overflowed.
Where's the one?
Why is this coming out?
Activator.
I just squirted all over my hand. Oh God.
Seriously?
There we go. Okay, where's
What do
the
you
spoon?
need, guys?
I need spoon. Oh.
What do you need, Sam?
I need
That was
the
my
shaving
eye. Did
cream.
she just hit me in the eye?
What?
I need the shaving cream.
Is this bad, Autumn?
Yours looks good. Sammy's is a lost cause.
Okay, where's the activator?
Here's right here.
Oh, yeah. Right. Okay.
Did I pour any in?
Can I
Yep,
put-
that's enough
can
now.
I have a spoon, please? Oh, there it is.
Is there anything even in my bowl?
I feel like
feel
there's
it.
nothing in my bowl.
I'm excited to see Sammy.
Oh, Sammy's is 10 times overactivated.
So is mine. Ew. Gross.
Oh, this is so nasty.
I want coloring. Did I ever add any coloring?
Yes, you did. You added in 2 colors, Nat.
Oh.
I'm going to shut the lids to them.
I need the activator.
What are you doing,
Where's
Nat?
the activator?
That's not the activator, Nat. That's Liz.
You're telling her.
Oh, Sam.
What?
What the hell did you do? Heck did you do? Sorry.
What are you doing?
Nothing, dude. You need a mix. Just mix.
Autumn? Autumn! You need glue, Sam.
Stop
You
screaming.
only have activator in there.
Just giving you a little help.
Yeah, that's what she's not supposed to do.
Alright, well, either way, it's still kind of messed up, so you're good.
Let me help you. Mix.
You're not allowed to help. Ow, you're breaking your fingers.
Here, Sam, just
We're
mix it.
fighting in video, guys.
This is really bad.
I need more coloring.
So I can feel.
How do you know?
Oh, it's so watery.
I can feel I can feel no coloring. That's what makes it so thick.
Nat, you've already put way too much coloring on there. I'm just gonna tell you that now.
I need more shaving cream. That's what I need.
You're basically doing it for me.
Oh, can I go over this?
Nah, isn't it against rules for the judge helping me?
No. Do I need more glue? What do I need?
Nat, you need to just mix yours and some shaving cream.
Can I see a shaving cream?
I just put some in it. I got you.
Ew, this feels gross.
Okay, Autumn, what do you have?
Nothing. I'm gonna dump some activator out.
Over here to the side, Nat. Oh, there you go.
Where do you have it?
Hey, where's that?
Hold on, Sam.
Do you have it?
Yeah, hold on.
I need more glue.
Thank you. Wait,
Where's the glue?
over here, I'll give you some glue in a second.
You can't do it for her.
I know, that's what she's doing.
Let her make it
Yeah,
herself.
if you've seen the problem, when you watch the video, you'll see how bad this was. Here, Sam, let me help.
But did she add activator instead of glue?
No, she literally, the whole bowl was full of
Here's a little-
activator.
Oh, that's real slimy. Guys, thanks. That's cool. You got it? Was it broken
Give
in?
me a second.
Autumn, you're not supposed to be
Sam,
helping
I'm helping
me.
you.
Yeah, and that's what you're not supposed to do.
Oh my god, Nat, all over the chat. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm so
I'm
joking.
helping you. Sam, did you even put shaving cream on?
No.
Does Sam even know how to make slime?
I don't think so, because literally she had the whole bowl full of activator.
Oh, this feels disgusting.
Alright, guys, it's time to unfold.
Okay, I can't. I'm gonna make this hit.
There you go.
What did I do?
What the
Let's just say this
heck?
whole bowl was activator a little while ago.
Do you want me to just
Now
throw
it's time to redeem yourself. Try to see if you can fix your slime.
Okay.
That is so good.
Oh yeah, this is so
but
good.
really, look at
What
mine.
2 colors did I even add?
Yours is a big clump ball. I don't know what that is.
I need a new bowl.
It looks like the other one.
Looks like grudge hair if it was black.
Autumn, don't put that much.
Oh, I'm trying so hard.
Oh, that's one bowl. I'm just
Sammy,
don't really care.
there's a lot of glue still, but I know Sammy doesn't want to not have a lot of glue left.
Let me feel hers. Gross, Sammy.
Alright, let's just say this whole thing was activator.
I'm gonna try and fix that. I need more glue. What do you think I need?
No, you need more activator. It's too,
No, it's like way too over.
you need to just play with it and get it to, like, stop being so
Okay,
strong.
Autumn, now you got it. Good.
Sam, yours is gross.
I know, I still want to do
You need some color, more blue.
We're gonna make this dark blue. Elise, can you
Why?
put blue in this?
I
Can I
want,
see the glue?
I want the light blue. No, I want the orange.
Can you give me
See,
Sam,
if this-
yours is already blue. You don't see how it's blue? Can't orange because then it'll just turn gross.
I'm just hovering around, guys.
You can put some blue in this.
This? Or blue?
Blue.
Hey, mine's
That's
actually not too bad.
Right the side of it right there.
Because Autumn's doing it and she's going to dye her hands now.
Well, that's because I don't think you know how to make slime right. Mine's a pretty color.
Well, I was
When you
blindfolded.
see a pretty.
Well, I was blindfolded. She
All right. At
thought
first,
she
that
had
whole
every
thing
product.
was orange.
What?
That was orange at first.
What?
Dude, I ran into the couch and it moved the whole couch, like the strength of this thing.
I think mine's not too shabby.
Mine's
I need more
bad.
yeah, yours is. She might need more glue.
I think.
Yeah, she
Oh, it
needs
looks
more
like it's
glue.
good.
No, I think this is good. I want to keep playing with it to get the stringiness
Gross.
out of it.
I think
All of it together.
glue helps make it stick together.
That's glue.
Yeah.
How much glue is there?
Try to heat it. Yeah, there's still a lot of glue left. Need more activator. Where's
Now
the
it's coming
activator?
together.
Look.
Do you know where the activator is?
Yeah, it's in that lid. No, Sammy used half that bottle of activator in like that much glue.
Whose idea was this?
That was yours. Literally, I think we've wasted so much product.
It's fun. I shouldn't have added any more activator. Let her do it now, Adam.
Okay, I'm like getting it on.
Like, it's like not fair because
Let her do it all, Adam.
you're helping me, you're not helping them.
Ugh. Too much glue.
Oh, Nat, you put yours in my bowl. I had glitter glue in that bowl.
Oh,
See?
oops.
What should I add to this?
I'm gonna go clean your guys' bowls now.
What should
Nat, are
I
you done with your bowl?
Yeah.
add?
Okay, you want to take your slime out of it?
No. What do you think I should add to it?
I don't know. You wanted to do it. Autumn was helping you fix it.
No, because I felt like it wasn't fair to you.
My son is
We're like not even vlogging.
it's not supposed to be a vlog.
Wasn't all talk to it? I'm like the one that asked all the questions.
My slime is actually turning out good. It needs more shaving.
I think I added too much.
You added too much of every.
Oh, well, Autumn put more glue in there.
Add more shaving cream.
Hello?
Okay, I think that's good. This is a good thing that we. I don't know if we're allowed to do. You made a mess of the table. Well, I know when they were a mess, because look at my idea.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go say bye. We're gonna say bye. Comment down below whose slime is better.
That's.
So we're gonna show you our slime. So here is my
I'm
slime.
not done.
You have to be done.
No, because there was no.
It's been
time.
12 videos. 12 minutes.
I did 12 videos.
Alright.
So mine is this pretty blue color. And Sam, show your slime.
Mine.
Here, I'll show it to
Yeah, I
you
got it.
then. Oh my,
We took strong glue at college, though.
I'm gonna add this to it. It's
This
a
time,
lot.
Sam, you didn't clean that up.
What?
Tyler
I cleaned it up already.
No, you need to clean up the silverware again.
I already did it.
gave a deal.
Sam, I've been cleaning up all
Sammy's
the
isn't too bad. I mean, it's fine.
That is good.
It's so thick.
Yeah, just go clean yours up.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Bye!